Alright guys, we're on this. So Alan Holt's got the Jumbo Aaron Rodgers 209. We're going to go live. We are live. 209, 209. Grab the list. We got 15 spots. And we'll drop it in. Brandon up top. And Nicholas on the bottom. We're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And 4, it's on high enough. We're going to roll 2 dice again, looking for a 5 or higher. And we have 8. 8 times. Good luck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 times. Dice is at 8. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 8. Congrats, Scott Rao. Spot number 3. You are the winner. Get in touch with Alan Holtz. He will get that to you. 210. We are done. We'll type done on the post. We are done. 210. 210. Verification and timestamp.